Hi guys, welcome back to the Boho Babe Homestead. Today I am doing just full on unboxing videos because I've been really sick lately and there haven't been any progress on the house. I'm here with the little guy. House is a mess right now. He says to leave the thumbs up for the video. Anyway guys, this is the dollar store home essential haul. And I have no idea what we got, so I know what I bought, but I'm not sure if I got everything that I bought.
Oh, it's very nice.
So, I got this.
Christmas.
Oh my gosh, this is broken.
I actually feel like I know how to do
And
this.
it's open.
I feel
This
like
is completely broken.
Yep. But I feel like to use it. Oh yeah.
At least these are still intact.
It's a knife.
We got the knife set.
Ooh. A cheese grater.
We got a grater. A grater that is,
Okay,
oh my god, 0 stars.
How?
It's busted.
It's busted? Oh, they're getting a 0 star. Oh, 10 star for this one. Oh.
This is broken.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh, 0 star.
It's not broken. It's
0
there.
star for this one. They got
It's,
too many
crooked.
spoons. They got so many spoons trapped.
This is fine. I had all of these. I had them before, but I'm just not into going back to the house and packing up stuff.
Oh my god.
Got a set of forks.
There's so many spoons here. I got so many spoons.
Sorry guys. It's a pack of 6. They're heavyweight, and but does it say stainless steel? No. The ones that I ordered said stainless steel. We got some spoons as well, teaspoons. They're not bad.
For this. Where's the cover?
We got some cups.
Yep.
Starlight cups.
Do it. Oh.
They're very dirty.
Yep. And that's
We got
another.
a zester.
Oh, this is my favorite.
And I
That's
got
my favorite.
This I'm not sure if this is bent, but it's all bent.
This
It
is
is
my
bent,
favorite.
but I guess it's fine.
Sponges.
I got myself some razors.
Sponge.
I got some loofahs because I haven't gotten loofah seeds.
Pennies and balls.
Got this bowl which I thought was much bigger than this. It's bent. Yes, that's what we get for $1. We got some bowls. For some reason I thought these were much bigger. These as well.
These ones are my
some tongs.
favorite.
And this
A yellow
drywall saw.
Ooh, that's brand new.
So we got this. Oh my gosh. I got a set of strainers. At least these feel thick, but they're too small, so I'm gonna definitely have to do another shopping. And I got myself a purse.
A brand new purse.
A boho babe purse. A boho purse.
Yep, that's what you mean.
So I guess that's it for the dollar store haul. At least the package arrived because I did not think that it will. Did we get everything? Yeah.
Yep. It's brand new.
Got everything, but some things are broken. But I guess that's the way the cookie crumbles. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'm gonna do a blanket haul. right after this one. So I'm gonna quick thumbnail.
Guys, can we do another one, another box? Other box?
Bye.